If you're looking to lease one of the best panoramic ocean view homes in all of Newport Coast, then look no further than 6 Andiamo here in beautiful Campobello, Newport Coast. It's a 3,000 square foot, 3-bedroom, 3-bath home with a 3-car garage with pool and spa. You want to see more? Then let's go through the front door. Kids and adults alike are going to love this water oasis here in the backyard, complete with rock grotto, water slide, nice deep pool. It's got a spa tub as well and that beautiful koi pond. But what we really love are those panoramic city lights, ocean views. You've got Catalina, Newport Harbor, downtown LA, and of course, every night, those Disneyland Fireworks. Formal dining and living room with those beautiful polished travertine floors throughout. And the double doors bring the outside in for ease of entertaining. Open plan kitchen, breakfast nook for that cup of joe in the morning, nice center island with a pop-up stove, got all those brand name appliances, granite countertops, and it all opens out to the family room, complete with fireplace, and of course out to the barbecue and those views. Top of the stairs to my left is bedroom number 2 with its hardwood floors and separate walk-in closet. Adjacent, bedroom number 3, mirrored wardrobes with that direct access to the exterior deck. They all share the bathroom with the twin vanities and that combined tub and shower. My favorite area though is this spacious upstairs living room, direct access to the outside deck, fireplace, and if I want to work at home, this is a perfect office. But the magic is always in the master. Follow me in. Very spacious master bedroom with the high ceilings, big walk-in closet, the master bathroom complete with walk-in shower, separate tub, and those twin vanities. When you deserve the best, you got to come and see one of the best here at 6 Andiamo. It's a must see. And we'll see you on the next one. I'm off to the pool.